For the next trial run, we're going to do the step-up.
You better not make this.
In the Philippines, 5 pesos. Here in America, fuck you, $35. Alright, so we get our standard 10-pound plate, you know? It's whatever, you know. And as I said before, girls are available. Anyways, here we go. Alright, we're gonna start with the previously shown jab combos. Okay, here we go. Left, right, left kick, right kick, and then you step up, fall down. You step up, be careful, okay? You will hurt yourself. It's too much. Too much. You understand it, okay? So you do this, and what you want to do is this. The tongue fall, okay? You hurt yourself. Here we go. Alright, all together now. Left, right kick, step up, step down, step up, step down. Hold on, time. Alright. Ay, nako. Kami na. Wait. Sprained my back. It's okay. We're fine. 18 and 5.
Listo.
I need to take a sheet of paper out so you can sign up today. Oh, shit. Sheet of paper. Sheet of paper right now. Sheet of paper, okay? Alright. My back, okay. Ay, nako. Filipino pride.